The probability distribution function of the discrete random variable y is given by the probability of capital Y equals to y equals to a and 3 over 4y. So what does this mean? It really means that if we look at this definition, we really scrutinize this definition, even though it looks very scary from the start. So a lot of time when it looks very scary, okay, we just maybe can think about maybe substituting some value. So if you look at maybe this is probably of y equals to 0, it basically looks like this is like a 3 over 4, and that sub means 0. Right, the probability of y equals to 1 is a 3 over 4 to the power of 1. Right, so that's how the probability of y equals to 0 looks like. Right, so if you so that's about it. And then after that we need to find it, and this most of the time revolves around the fact that the summation should be equals to 1. The summation of all our probabilities will be equals to 1. So you take note that in any probability distribution function, the summation of all the probabilities should give you 1. Okay, with that, right, that means if we were to actually add up all the probabilities, so the probability of y equals to 0 plus the probability of y equals to 1 plus the probability of y, and you realize that this will never end, because if you look at the question, it's dot, right? It's never going to end, so it's going to go on and on. So what does that suggest? I don't know. Maybe what we can do is whenever we are stuck at something, we try to write out the first 3 terms and we see whether there's any pattern that we can observe. So this is a 3 over 4 0, a 3 over 4 1, a 3 over 4 2, alright, so on and so forth. And we know that it's supposed to give us 1. What can we do? Oh, realize that there's actually a common factor, a, right? And this is 1 plus 3 over 4 plus 3 over 4 square plus dot. And I see, oh, actually, what do you observe? What do you observe of this portion? So learn to appreciate your working and look at the things that you used to learn. So if you have guessed that this is a GP, you are right. This is the sum of GP to infinity, right? To infinity, where the first term is a, and first term is 1, and the common ratio is 1 minus r. So with this, right, we should have a1 equals to a bracket. First term is 1, a over 1 minus r. Alright, and very quickly, your a would just be equals to 1 over 4.